हे एवरीवन, आप देख रहे हैं फर्स्ट इंडिया का यूनिक शो वायरल हिट्स, जहां वायरल वीडियोस का होगा नॉन स्टॉप धमाका और एंटरटेनमेंट का होगा लेवल हाई। मैं तृप्ति अरोरा लेकर आई हूं आपके लिए एक ऐसी एंटरटेनिंग फन राइड जहां होगी डांस की मस्ती, रील्स का क्रेज, फनी मोमेंट्स का हंगामा और इंटरनेट के क्रिएटिव सुपरस्टार्स का जबरदस्त जलवा। सब कुछ मिलेगा एक ही शो में। तो अगर आपको भी है रील स्क्रॉल करने का क्रेज या फिर सबसे पहले देखना चाहते हैं वायरल दुनिया का हर अपडेट, तो सीट बेल्ट बांध लीजिए, क्योंकि शुरू होने वाला है एंटरटेनमेंट का अनलिमिटेड रोलर कोस्टर वायरल हिट्स।
स्पॉटलाइट की चमक, रैंप पर बिखरता ग्लैम, डिजाइनर आउटफिट्स और हर कदम में झलकता कॉन्फिडेंस। हाल ही में गुलाबी नगरी जयपुर में एक यादगार शाम सजी। मिस टीन डीवा 2026 और विनर्स पहुंची फर्स्ट इंडिया न्यूज की स्टूडियो में टीन एज डीवास ने गजब के कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपने विनिंग जर्नी को शेयर किया। विनर अनाउंसमेंट में जब पूरा ऑडिटोरियम तालियों से गूंज रहा था, तो इन कंटेस्टेंट ने अपने स्टाइल, ग्रेस और एलिगेंस से फिनाले की खूबसूरत शाम को और भी खास बना दिया। प्रैक्टिस राउंड से लेकर विनर बनने तक अपने खास मोमेंट इन यंग टैलेंट ने गजब एनर्जी और ग्रेस के साथ शेयर किए। देश के अलग अलग राज्यों से आए इन कंटेस्टेंट ने न सिर्फ अपनी खूबसूरती का, बल्कि अपने आत्मविश्वास, व्यक्तित्व और इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी का ऐसा परिचय दिया, जिसे सुनकर यकीनन आप भी इन लिटिल सुपरस्टार्स के फैन हो जाएंगे।
एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर एंड आज के हमारे गेस्ट ने ये प्रूफ करके दिखाया है। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम स्मृति छाबरा, आपकी मिस यूनिवर्स दिल्ली 2025 एंड आज हमारे साथ है मिस टीन डीवा 2026 के विनर्स, जो जयपुर राजस्थान में हुआ था। मैं चाहूँगी कि आप हमारे विनर्स से आज मिलें और उनके बारे में कुछ जानें। Over to you guys.
Namaste and hi everyone. I am Prasusi Panda. I'm from the rich heritage of Odisha, and yes, I am your reigning Miss Teen Universe India 2026. Thank you.
How old are you, Prasusi?
I'm 15 years old.
Look at the young talent, guys. On to you, our winner for Miss Teen Diva 2026, and she broke all the records by being the first Miss Teen Earth. Hi, how are you? And please tell the audience about yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Malang, an 18-year-old proud daughter of Joy Meghalaya, and I am your reigning Miss Teen Earth India 2026. Thank you.
It's so lovely to have you guys over here. On to our next winner. How are you doing?
I'm doing very great. Nice to meet you.
Same here. I would like you to tell the audience about you, about your achievement today.
Namaste. I'm Snigdha Bhoya. I'm 13 years old and I'm your new reigning Miss Teen Grand India 2026.
Amazing, guys. ये इतना प्यारा set of girls है. All of them are teenagers and they are proudly representing their states on the national stage of Miss Teen Universe, Miss Teen Earth and Miss Grand. I am so happy आप लोग आज हमारे साथ हैं. A few questions for all of you and मैं चाहूँगी कि एकदम दिल से आंसर करना so that our audience connects with you. My first question is for you. You literally broke records, made history. आप कैसा feel कर रहे हैं and are you excited about your homecoming?
Yes, I am very excited for my homecoming, and I also feel really amazing that I won this title. This has always been the dream. I wanted to make Meghalaya proud. Here I am.
So well said. And mind you guys, they are just teenagers and look at the confidence they are holding. My next question is for you. I want you all to tell me individually as well that what were the challenges that you faced and how was your journey till this crown?
Talking about the challenges was like For me, my biggest strength was my speaking skills. Like since childhood, since I was in class fourth, I have been participating in different debates, speeches, and all. So yeah, that was one of my biggest benefits I had in a pageant world because I guess communication matters a lot in pageantry. And yes, I had a little challenges for my work and all because a city which I live in, there's not that scope for all that training and all, but still I had the power to do it. And yes, all the videos I had the videos from Arnish sir, which who is our mentor for Miss Teen Diva 2026 work, and all the YouTube videos, and it helped me in a very great way, and that's why I'm here today as Miss Teen Universe India. Thank you.
Amazing, very well said. My next question is for you. You're here in Jaipur, Rajasthan. You've been here for quite long. How was your experience in Rajasthan?
First of all, Kamagani Jaipur. Well, Rajasthan might be the best state I've ever visited. Jaipur consists of every kind person, and here it is are, my pretty girls. Everyone here is very kind, very sweet, and I love how everyone treats in this city.
We love Jaipur. My next question for you is one advice that you would want to give to the parents because you are teenagers, you followed your dreams, you've had the crown. आप क्या बताना चाहोगे to the parents of children जो उनके dreams को support नहीं करते हैं, जो उनको freedom नहीं देते हैं because your parents did and look where you all are today. So what is that one advice you would want to give to the parents?
For parents, I would say like all the parents are very good. All the parents think good about their children. Of course, there's no doubt in that. But still, I would say that let every child know their own purpose in their life. Let every child know their own value in their life because everyone has their own voices. Everyone has their own dreams, which makes them unique. And there's nothing, and that what makes unique. Nobody in this world has, right? So like we say right every like we say like all the five fingers in the hands are not equal, like all the children are not equal. Some scholar in studies, some scholar in sports, some even scholar in both studies and extracurriculars, everything. So let them choose their own path and guide them in their own path, and definitely they will definitely succeed in the path which they choose for them, because in that path they believe in themselves, they have their passion strong. So yes, they can get it. Please believe in themselves because parents are the pillars of every child's life. Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
It's coming from a 15-year-old child or girl. And parents, you must listen to the words of wisdom that she's shared with us today. My next question is for our winner. I want you to share a memory from the pageant that you will cherish for your life.
One memory that I will always cherish for my entire life would be when Sham sir made us walk 5 hours without resting. And we were so exhausted. We felt like crying. And some of us did, I believe. We were like, oh my God, we want to rest. We want to rest. What are they doing with us? But later, when I won, I realized that it was all worth it. And he is the best. And he knew that I was going to win. So it's all because of Sham sir. Thank you so much, sir. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
So आपने देखा इस क्राउन तक पहुंचने के लिए कितनी मेहनत करी है, कितने लोग रोए हैं, कितने लोग गिरे हैं, कितनी ज़्यादा चोट लगी है लोगों को, but they didn't give up and they are just teenagers. My one advice for you all would be, no matter what your age is, if you are 10, 12, 13 or if you are in your 50s or 60s, never give up on your dreams. आप जो भी लाइफ में करना चाहते हो वो ज़रूर होगा, बस give up मत करना. And one last question that is common for all of you, please give audience some parting words, some advice, and we will start with you.
My one advice would be that be yourself. Listen, first thing first, you can pretend to be another person for a day or two, but eventually your real self will show up for like a week. What will the other person think of you then? So be true to yourself. Be yourself. Know that your future matter, your voice matter, everything you do matters.
For me, I would even say that always believe in yourself, always believe what you want in your life, and have clarity of what you want. Stand by it. Never be afraid and never think that, oh my god, I'm not enough. Always believe that do I believe in myself? Am I a perfect human being? Am I honest? And then you're absolutely perfect. You can achieve it, and always stay strong to your principles, your strengths, because if you stay strong to them, there is nothing that can deter you from your goal. I had always believed in myself. I had dreamt of this crown since years. Seriously, I'd say, like, Miss Teen Universe India has always been my dream. And yes, I believed in myself, and I'm here today with this crown on my head. And thank you so much to Nikhil sir, to the whole Glamour team for giving me this opportunity to be on this big platform. And yes, looking forward to my whole journey for the next years. Thank you.
No matter what's your age, you should always believe in yourself, trust yourself. Because when you trust yourself, you are the most perfect person you can ever be, the best version you are. And let me tell you something. Well, before my pageant, I was injured. I got my leg broken, but I didn't give up. Why? Because I always believed in myself. I always trusted myself.
After listening to these girls, I did not feel that you are teenagers. I feel that you are people with wisdom, experience, and a lot more to achieve in your future. I hope all of you have a glorious future. You achieve heights in your life and always stay rooted. Thank you, Jaipur, for hosting us. We'll see you again very soon.
बहुत सारी मस्ती, एंटरटेनमेंट और फन अभी बाकी है। मिलते हैं एक ब्रेक के बाद, और ब्रेक के उस पार हम दिखाएंगे वायरल सेलिब्रिटीज और राजस्थानी मॉडल्स के शानदार लुक्स और कुछ बेहतरीन डांस टैलेंट। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड।